Hi everyone, this is the Aquastrong 1 horsepower sewage grinder pump. I've been a plumber for close to 30 years, self-employed, and I put a lot of sewage grinder pumps, or replace a lot of sewage grinder pumps per year. Most of them are going to be roughly about 4/10 of a horse to 3/4. This is a full 1 horsepower grinder pump, and I'm actually super impressed with it. A lot of the grinder pumps on the inlet side down here, you're going to find rubber paddles that pull in and beat up the debris and then discharge it through the 2-inch outlet. On this pump, you have stainless steel blades, and those are inset into this location right here, off the stainless steel collar here. This part does not turn, the blades do, and they're very sharp. So whatever gets pulled into this unit is going to get chopped up and annihilated and discharged out. The pump comes with a standard 2-inch outlet, and that is threaded, and that is in the cast iron itself. It's not, none of this is plastic except for the handle. So if you're replacing your existing pump, it will fit up to this pump via the 2-inch threaded outlet. They also send a 2-inch PVC coupling that if you need to start brand new, you have that. And then they also send a cast barb fitting. It's threaded on one side, that threads in. So if you're just running a flexible discharge hose in pumping a pool or whatever, you can just connect that right up there, put on your hose clamp, and go ahead and use the unit. What's really impressive about this unit, it will pump 4,200 gallons per hour. That is a ton of water. Also, it will pump up to 40 feet of head. As the higher you go, your pump volume will decrease because of the back pressure of the water. If you're just pumping up roughly about 3 feet, that will hold true to the 4,200 gallons per hour. Most basins are roughly about 40 to 50 gallons on sewage basins, so this pump will just evacuate it real quick and it'll be done. If you're pumping a pool or a body of water, depending on the head pressure on it, but if you're just pumping it up 5 feet and discharging it, you're going to be roughly hitting that 4,200 gallons per hour discharge on this unit. The unit does come with a float switch. It's already built in. It's not a separate cord or a separate line. So as the water in the basin or whatever you have rises, this float switch will go up. You'll hear a click, and then it'll activate the pump. And once it goes back down, it'll click into the off position. The unit also comes with ample amount of cord to come out of the basin or whatever you have, and to plug in to an extension cord or to an outlet. So my overall impression of this unit, this is a very well built pump. Being that it's cast iron all the way, sealed, it's just a beast. Aquastrong sent this pump to us, and I'm just very grateful that they did. I can use this on a job or actually just pumping out a large body of water. Just wanted to give you a brief description of how it works and how it functions. I've dummied a pipe on here for just an example of a sewage ejector pump pipe that would go out to the sewage system. And so I've got that on there. I just screwed that on using a 2-inch male adapter. So what we have here is this pump is fully submergible, and then on the side of it has a float. Once the float gets to a certain level, there's a switch inside of it that kicks the unit on, and you can hear it running. Once the float goes back down, the switch falls down, the pump will shut off, and at that point it'll be ready for service again to refill the basin for the sewage ejector system. Okay, so I've got a garbage can here, and I'm going to put the pump in there, and we're going to fill that with water. I'm going to show you the amount of flow that will kick out of here and how fast it'll pump down this basin. And once it kicks on, I will be holding this. The 1 horsepower pump does have a lot of thrust to it, so I want to make sure I hold on to that so it doesn't try to kick back away from the water flow. Okay, we're going to put some water into the basin, and as the water comes in, the float on the right-hand side, you can see it right down there, it will be coming up. As that float switch rises, it'll get to a certain point, it'll kick on the unit itself, and then you'll get the discharge. And there it goes. I'm holding that. It does have pretty good thrust to it. And just like that, it emptied the basin to the point where the float switch came back down and kicked off. So you can see that it does push a lot of water really fast. It's not an obscene noise as it kicks on. If it was actually in a sewer basin with a lid, you would just hear a hum once it kicks on. All right, so there you have it. That's the Aquastrong sewage grinder pump, 1 horsepower pump, and that's how it works.